Before there was select, the SQL command we all know, there was a different world, a wild west of database querying. Imagine writing database queries without select. In the 1960s and early 1970s, computer scientists experimented with all kinds of syntax, often cryptic, sometimes verbose, but always groundbreaking. From early academic papers to internal IBM memos, the seeds of relational querying were quietly being planted. Then came SQL, Structured English Query Language. Born inside IBM, SQL aims to make data retrieval feel almost like speaking English. It wasn't quite the SQL we know today, but it had joins, filtering, and a structured way of thinking about tables. And it set the stage for the revolution. At the heart of it all was System R, IBM's experimental relational database. Here, SQL evolved, shaping its syntax and solving real-world challenges. As the language matured, subtle shifts brought it closer to the SQL we recognize today. And then, the moment that changed everything. Select was born. Committees, researchers, and visionaries pushed for a standard, and SQL became the universal language of data. Compare an early SQL statement with a modern SQL query, and you'll see, the DNA is the same, only cleaner, sharper, and standardized. Even today, those early design decisions ripple through every query we write. Understanding where SQL came from doesn't just make you a better developer. It connects you to a piece of computing history. So next time you type select, remember, it's not just a command. It's the result of decades of innovation, experiments, and vision.